welcome back for the fifth video. Now we'll be taking a closer look at these buttons here, but before we proceed I want to go to the library because we didn't import our roads here. So if I come over here into the roads and if I click preview, you'll see that we'll be receiving a lot of roads here. Like all these blue lines are the car roads or vehicle roads, and when I click add, now I'm adding this roads as well. So it's a road and they can be important for our analysis in the further steps. So now what I'm going to do is I'll be coming back to the navigator, and you see I can now select the roads, take them off, put them in, so on and so forth as well. They're underneath this base still. The next thing that I wanted to do here is to convert my view into 3D, of course, and then take a closer look at this. So this is Explore. Explore is an ongoing tool for you to create a massing based on the current site conditions. I'll be talking in detail in the upcoming videos. And the building. So we can create a line building. So when I click on this, create a line here, and then you see it's more like a polyline, and then it adds this to here, and then it comes to here. And what we see here is width is 12 meters, so I can say it's 20 meters, 4 stories by 3 meters each, or you can say 15 stories, 5 by each. You can have sections if you want to. You can have no sections. You can have like this, the target section length, the length of the sections is 16 meters. If you put 5, you see that it will increase the number of sections here. I can put 16. Function unspecified, we can click here, we can put a function, add a new function here as well. So functions, create a new function, unit sizes, and so on and so forth. Circulation, if you want to add number of section 27. What is this? Release to floor plan. We don't need to focus on this right now, it's a bit more in detail. So floor plans, we can add a floor plan, or we can add like these corners, and you can add new or circulation to this as well. And once you're not happy with this, you can delete it all. You can come over, say basic buildings, basic building, something like this, and click here to make it done. How many meters you want to have it here, or you can have a cylinder, you can have a box, you can have a polyline, you can have trace an existing shape, and so on and so forth. And if you click escape, it's gonna go off. And then you can have a housing button as well. So multiple on one line, place singles. So one thing, multiple on line, we can put a line here, and then it will create, as we did in the line building, you see it adds these housings. When you take your hand off from your mouse screen, it creates a threshold in between the houses, and when you click, you see you're having this as the distance, like the road, and it's 0. So if you have 5 there, you have 5 meters distance in between, and so on and so forth. And if you click escape, you can escape this, or when you finish this, you can click enter, but when you click this, it will be selected as whole, and then I can delete that. Or what I can do here again, come back house, this time place singles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's basically how you can add your housing works here, and they will be stored under single single buildings, not as a whole, since we are doing it as one single operation. And that is actually pretty much it for this one, because we just went through how we can create a building buildings in Autodesk Forma. And I'll see you in the next one.